Alright, what about this? Right, Masterlock stainless steel diskus lock, whatever you want to call them. Octagonal shackle, boron carbide. So if you cut it, you have to cut it twice. So they say we cover on the keyhole. I think the wee covers to stop you seeing the keyhole, because anything at all that fits in there is going to be able to open this lock. I'll show you. Give it a go here. I'll try and single pin pick it first of all anyway. Right. Pin 4 and 3. Pin 2 and oh, missed it. Pin 1. Right. That's not the easiest way to open it. That is. Right. Or we could try him. My favourite wee tool. Oh, slipped. Opened. So, any new pickers, don't be going out and buying this here. This is junk. You're not going to learn anything from this. You get a big stack of keys. I don't know why they give you them, because you just don't need them, man. Like I say, see anything at all that fits in that wee hole, it'll open this. So, it's all a gimmick. Octagonal shackles and boron carbide and stainless steel. It's just junk. It's junk. Avoid this lock. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.